O to shape bro. To shape off your bro quand se your apprends be flattering your facial shape, balancing your feature, en framing your eye. If you have thick, full bro, you might need to tweak the theme. If you have thin, small bro, you may need to fill them in with a pencil. It way, rio to fin shape ta flattering to en face. Determine your ideal shape. Determine where your inebro should. Hold a straight edge, sucha en eyebrow pencil rarulé, vertically in front of your face. If you want your eyebrow farte apart, line it up so tight touch to termost of edge your nose and inside of your eye. If you want your eyebrow close to jeter, line up the straight edge with on side of the septum. The line will determine where your eyebrow should start. Mark ta spot with an eyebrow pencil. Repère fort au taille. Determine where your arch should peak. Angle the straight edge so tight line up with to termost edge of your nose and to termost edge of your pupil. Very important you look straight ahead, but your face and your eye should be looking directly forward at the mirror. Wherever the line intersect your eyebrow or the peak of your arch should be at the border of the eyebrow. Mark ta spot with your eyebrow pencil. Repère fort au taille. Determine where your root eyebrow should. Angle the straight edge furte so tight touch to termost edge of your nose and also pass along to termost edge of your eye. Tell you where the eyebrow should. Mark t point with your eyebrow pencil. Repère with to taille. Draw a line along the bottom edge of your brow. T will determine the brow thickness. Follow the natural curvature of your eyebrow. Pluck the straight fall below the line and would de te mark you've made. Your eyebrow should be un 4- barre oblique 1 barre oblique 2 inch, 0.5, 1 cm, à thickest, 1. Pluck minimally above the brow, you want to retain your brow natural arch. Only to the strayer. If plucking is your thing, try shaping with it. If your brow are sensitive, use this to variable for you to ease. Consider your face shape. Certains brow bêtent compliments spécifiques face shape. To minimize the curve of around face, direct to the tier of the brow toward the top of the arse. If the face is square, direct it toward the middle of the arse. Tiel balance the face. If the face is long, keep the brow more straight across, directing it above the arse. An oval face already looks balanced, but to en se term on I, you can direct to the tier toward the arm lobe, 2. Everyday maintenance. Trim your brow. You may find hair are within your ideal shape, but are just too long. Use a pair of eyebrow trimmer to clean up your look. Using a brow brush, brush the hair bar. Cutter text en beyond your natural hairline. Fill in sparse spot. If your brow are too light, or dark, fill them in with an eyebrow pencil. If you don't have an eyebrow pencil, substitute matte shadow. If your brow are fair, use a pencil to shade darker than your hair. If you have dark hair, go to shade light. Hold your skin toe at the temple, and lean softly along the edge of your brow. Then, lean along the bottom edge. With a fittery stroke, fill in between the two edge, 3. Remember to blend. Use a clear gel to set. Brush the hair out and naturally en apply gel to set the hair in place. Clear mascara can double eyebrow gel. T also prevent smudging, if fine. Develop a routine. Forming a good habit will make your routine shorter, day. Be sticking to a specific contour and shape, spotting strebe comme easy. Consistently pluck between the brow and at edge. The growth fastest and take away from the natural shape of your brow. Tip. A 2007 study out of Germany found that people and 30-year-old fellow, subtly arched eyebrow more flattering, while people over 50-year-old preferred opposite, eyebrow with a strong arch, 4. when ton of the bro is noticeably above the beginning of the bro, it can give you a fierce, almost angry look. If you have almond shaped it turn up to the edge, then you will likely naturally have a bro arrière on to the tent inside. If you are feeling in or shaping, you want to keep to the tent inside, no only to follow the natural line but also to emphasize the shape of the tip of a. It can look clownish if you try to lower to the and to match inside, beginning, of the bro. Use concealer around your brow to give them an ultra define look. Line your eyebrow up with tiny corner of your eye instead of lining it up with to the corner of your nose, because if you have a wide nostril flare, you may create a brow shape tight or far apart. Always start filling ton of an eyebrow with a darker shade, then light shade forte from part of the eyebrow, blend it to ugly. Always remember, les more, les plucking. Once you make them to small, there no going back. En sûreté art samlen t'envie to ter wison mab more arched at te mab more de fine antique. What the shape you ose, make sur bot eyebrow are symmetrical, but horizontally and vertically. Instead of shaping your eyebrow to first team be using a tweezer, go get them done professionally. Professional know what they doing and take know what shape of eyebrow would best fit your face. After getting them done professionally once, you don't have to go back. Just maintain the shape be plucking to stray frequently. If your brow area is particularly sensitive, take a couple of pinky before tweezing and hold something cold over your brow before and after to